Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you the answer to the question, can I reuse the garden soil in my containers or grow bags? So here's a clip from the show. One of the questions that I get is, can I reuse the dirt in these pots? The answer is yes, please do. It's very expensive to make this soil that the plants love. And once I make a batch, I will reuse that batch for 20, 30 years as long as I can keep it going. So what I do to keep it going is I will add nutrients in the form of compost. And sometimes I'll need to add a little perlite or a little sand just to keep it from being sticky. But other than that, you can just keep recycling and recycling all the soil in this garden. So once you've made that investment, you have it for life. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10, Week 2. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.